So now that we have all of our components for Axis, we can look at how we can get the Axis up and running. Using the battery, the cartridge and the generator, if we turn the Axis unit around, open the compartment, we can see where we need to put these. Starting with the generator, you'll notice that there's two clips on the generator. Both clips need a positive clip when putting it in. So you can hear that that's clipped in twice. We then fit the cartridge, and that's simply slid in. It can only go one way. If you feel too much resistance or force, just put it back out again, check the orientation and then put it back in. Push it all away and you'll feel that there's another sort of clip as you push it in. Always good to have a fully charged battery before you start testing. You can test what the battery charge is by pressing the button on the battery. That's the last thing that gets fitted, and that simply clips in to the rear. Once you have everything fitted, press and hold the power button. Axis will then turn on and you're ready to test.